She asks if she is balanced in karma.
It's kind of funny you guys use the terms. She has some imbalance, too far to the positive.
Should that be corrected to balance?
It's self-correcting. I think we can leave it.
Okay.
It's part of the lesson, the empowerment.
All right. She asks about her children, if they're balanced in karma.
It's not of her concern.
All right, understood. Okay. She asks, what is her role as a grandmother?
Strictly as a guide. She can be a support. They can exchange codes as they do. They'll be working together later. As a guide. She needs to be a guide in a guide role to all. She does not need these roles anymore, these archetypes. We're done with that. You all are.
Is there some internal realignment that she needs to accept this?
It's part of what we just were doing.
Okay.
That was the back. So her lower spine carried the weight, and her heart as well.
Okay, and we've released all of that.
You have.
All right. She asks if her 3 children who don't appear to be awake, will they awaken in this incarnation?
There's great probability, but she needs to see that what she knows is true. The ascending path looks different for each individuated consciousness, and what she thinks she sees or knows or believes about the perception while in this incarnation, in this incarnated vehicle, is not all of what's true.
Okay. What part of it's not true?
There are many on the ascending path around you that you'll never guess, surmise. You won't even be able to read their frequency. And yet they are. Their role is such that they are to remain invisible, undisclosed, even to themselves.
Okay. These are the light workers that
They are.
Moving around doing things unknowingly?
The sleepers, yes.
Okay. And that's a mission too?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Couldn't do it without them.
Yep. She asks if she's being manipulated in dream time.
She is.
Can we stop it?
We can.
Let's do that right now.
It's done, but this is something she must remain vigilant. She needs the astral to do some work. When she goes out and comes in, she must formulate a practice to make sure that she doesn't allow the interference or someone to sneak in, and it does. The energies sneak in. They know that she works a lot.
And this practice, what would that look like? Can you help her there?
Yeah, so we suggest, we're showing her, but we'll tell you for the purpose of the session. Before she goes to bed, she needs to draw a very powerful intention to the astral realm, closing and sealing all doors other than the one that she's using, and protect it with a shield. When she comes back through, she must go through a cleansing, a clearing of her astral body before it completely awakens. It's going to take practice, but she can do it.
Can we do something with her shield so that as she moves around that it protects her?
We can, but where she has to work, it's not necessarily foolproof, or else of course we would have done that.
Okay.
But we will do that.
And this thing that is manipulating her, where's it coming from? What is it?
It's the same archonic force. It's the same conglomerate. They just have to get her in every way. She's getting more, your words,
Powerful?
reinforced in her power, yes.
Okay.
She's very much aligned and balanced. And the more that she does that, until she reaches, and the planet, quite frankly, needs to reach it collectively. And we're in that crescendo, so no one's really protected. It's part of the work at this time.
Okay, so...
So it's coming at her. It's the same force. It's dream time. It's through her children. It's through her finance. It's through her plans. It's through whatever means. It's okay. She's ready.
All right. But we're getting close to this being done.
Yes, absolutely. This is the crescendo.
Yeah, okay. So we've just got a little bit longer to go. And
She just has to hold on, and she's in a good spot for it now.
okay. All right. Anything else on that?
No.